Hello everyone, welcome back to Ida Retouching. I'm Ida, and today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the world of photo retouching and learning how to add eyebrows to a model in Photoshop. It's a step-by-step guide that's perfect for both beginners and those looking to refine their skills. So let's get started. Create a new empty layer above the model's image and change the blending mode to darken. Next, select the brush tool from the toolbar. Adjust the brush size to match the size of the eyebrows you want to add. Now, choose a color that matches the eyebrows. Use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from the existing hair. Carefully draw the eyebrows on the new layer using short, natural strokes. Follow the natural curve and direction of the existing eyebrows. Zoom in and make any final adjustments to ensure the eyebrows look natural. Also, you can add adjustment layers like white, saturation, or color balance to match the color and tone of the eyebrows with the overall image. For a more natural look, I'm going to add some blur to it, perhaps 0.1 or 0.2%, and then incorporate 1% noise. I want to do some extra work to create a good shape and a more appealing appearance. I'm using Clone Stump tool. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding eyebrows in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.